Hello everyone! Now, from the MARC locomotives behind me, you could probably assume that right now I am somewhere in eastern Maryland. But I have not, in fact, left Lancaster County. We are currently standing here in Columbia, Pennsylvania. And there are MARC locomotives. Why is that? These units are GP40 WH-2 locomotives. They entered service with MARC in 1994 and were retired between 2009 and 2011. Now here along Lancaster Avenue, there's another locomotive. I think this one is a standard GP40, but I can't really get closer to it since that would be trespassing. So this is the best shot I can get. So why are these locomotives here in Lancaster County? Well, it turns out these tracks belong to a short line called the Columbia and Reading. One of their main sources of income is locomotive storage, and these particular engines will hopefully be restored to service at some point. But until then, here they sit in Lancaster County. And that's really all there is to say about them. So thanks for watching and see you soon.